How to customize Monday.com workspace. So hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can customize workspaces on Monday.com. So for example, if you're working on Monday.com and you need to customize a workspace, you just need to follow this video. And by the end of it, you'll know how to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to log into Monday.com. And once when you've logged in, you can see there are multiple boards here that you're working on. And now if you need to manage your workspace, what you can do is you can click right here and you can add a workspace. So workspace is a way of organizing and segregating your boards. So for example, we have multiple workspaces. One is for production. We can add it. And the other workspace is for marketing. So here you go. We have two workspaces. One is for production and one is for marketing. We also have one main workspace as well. But let me tell you one more thing about workspaces is that we can either have a workspace open or we can have it closed. That's completely up to us. I'll tell you about that later on in this video. But if we want to send a board into a workspace, we can move it and click on move to workspace and send it to a particular workspace. So now if we open this workspace, this board will be available here. So we can organize and transfer boards into multiple workspaces. Now you can see that there are two workspaces. We can click on the workspace and we can uh, invite more people to it. We can add more people if we want to. That's completely up to us. And we can add permission. We can, rename it and we can change the permissions as well. That's completely up to us, but we need to be an admin for that. And once when you're an admin, you can do multiple changes in order to bring a change into workspace. That's completely up to us. Now, if we move here, so I told you there are two major workspaces. One is the main workspace, which is open, and the other one is the closed workspace. Closed workspace contains of those people, though they are the admins, you can say that. Mostly they are the people from the executive class of your company or the administration. You can say that if I put into a much better words. You can't add, everyone into a closed group, only some special people from the administration or the company. Whereas the open workspace is that kind of workspace which is open to all. You just need to have the link of the workspace and then you'll be able to access it. That's how uh, easy it is. Here you go. We can change it to open and close workspace, but we need premium for that, premium membership in order to make it a closed workspace and to have permissions to add people to it. We can further go here and go in administration. And here we can go to customization. Wait, just give me a second. Features. And we can also change the privacy of the workspaces here from right here. So we can also do that. That's completely up to us. And that was, I guess, pretty much I can say that about workspaces. Let me go back here to my profile. Sorry. Let me go back to my home page. Just give me a second and let me just go back here. So that was the main gist about the workspace. You will be given one main workspace when you just log in. And you can also work in here. But if you want a more, I would say, segregated workspace, then I would say that it's best for you that you make different workspaces to make your work more organized and segregated. That will be much more easier for you to do. So that's how it is. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.